Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana. Today I'm excited to react to one of my friends out there in Namibia, and this song came out on Mother's Day. So I was like, it's a little bit too late for Mother's Day, but I have to check it out, okay? Because you know, DJ Vuyo is one of the people that I know out there in Namibia, and I follow him closely. Yeah. That came out wrong, but yeah, I do follow his music. I do want to keep up with what he is doing and make sure that I support him as much as I possibly can. Okay, so if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. And also, if you don't know who DJ Vuyo is, you are in luck, because yeah, you're just gonna witness one of the greatest talents to come out of Namibia. Okay, please go check out DJ Vuyo's YouTube page and subscribe there. Featuring Zilla. Let's go. It's a beautiful video already, man. Big up to the videographers. Yeah.
Darotie mama sendiri millionaire Kavanditanda, never shaka, never passionate. Look at how far I've grown. The man ain't no daddy.
Did he just say he's a millionaire? I don't. The world is yours, my son. The man did my dream. You know what's funny? Like, if I can take some time and listen to DJ Vuyo just like on slow-mo, I feel like I can understand most of the things. I feel like he just said something to his son like, you are the one who's pushing me, or something like that. I could be mixing things, but I think I can understand few words here and there. So let me know in the comment section if you're from Namibia, if I said what I said is just correct. Also, let us know what the gist of the thing is. I know it's a Mother's Day dedication song. So yeah,
Sendi wina cheche, muvuze vamine bobo saje. Mama, make you show me the way. Yeah. Darotie mama, sendiri millionaire. Kavanditanda, never shaka, never passionate. Look at how far I've grown. The man ain't no daddy. Njira yangu njengani, hanunali tulikore femu. They did me dirty. And on the ones I said it, put my life in your prayers. I keep singing kani. Beginning was funny. My way, the winnings I see. Mbagi bana panchi. Mama, sugar me nana. Sivandi dere rangange. Darotie mama, sendiri millionaire. Kavanditanda, never shaka, never passionate. Look at how far I've grown. The man ain't no daddy. Njira yangu njengani, hanunali tulikore femu. Darotie mama.
Yeah, like I can understand definitely more words here, but I'm getting confused whether he is saying I'm a millionaire, or I want to be a millionaire, or I should be a millionaire, they did me dirty, or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, now I'm confused. But there are some words like when he says Zilla, which is like a road, right?
Sendiri millionaire, Kavanditanda, never shaka, never passionate. Look at how far I've grown. The man ain't no daddy. Njira yangu njengani, hanunali tulikore femu.
I still stand ma, still with the plan ma. By the end,
I was thinking, this thing needs like a little bit of rap, So
Since you left,
that's a
ma,
good
they
move.
don't love us anymore when it's strange, ma. Every day it hurts and it pains, ma. I keep going through your pictures and I pray, ma, that I do get to see you on the day, ma. I ain't never seen a soul in the times I was broke. This life be my own, held high when I walk. Those you thought me strong, ma. Hear your voice every day since we born, ma. Your lessons every day like a song, ma. And I made my mistakes, righting my wrongs, ma. Blessed with the son and he doing alright. Raising two daughters that's pretty when the smile. Forever you my queen, ain't nothing I can handle. Know that you're smiling and you're watching with the angels. I love you, ma.
Oh, that was a beautiful one. Big up to DJ Vuyo. Oh, that's a good song. Sadly, I like, yeah, the rap helps because it's in English and I can get the whole idea. I just want to know what DJ Vio was saying over there. So let me know in the comment section if you're watching from Namibia or if you just happen to understand the language that DJ Vio is singing in. Yeah. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. It's